Doxey.
What are you doing, Mama?
What are you doing, Doxey? What do you see?
Come here. Did you get your milk bones, Doxey?
She's gonna give herself right touch.
Come on, Doxey. Come on.
Come here, Doxey.
Come on, Mama. Come on.
Here.
Over here. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Oh, there's the cat. Like, what's going on? Come on, Doxey.
You want me to help her?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, Doxey. Hi. Hi.
Ah.
Let's undo this. Here you go. Now you can put your head in there and you won't get stuck. Funny. You're so goofy. Are you a happy doggy?
Getting some crumbs, Doxey. Garden head. Uh-oh. There's a shark in the water. Here comes a kitty.
Kitty likes the milk bones, Chow.
Oh, hey.
Kitty.
Get her, get her. Pork, get the kitty.
Get that cat.
Get the
Go
kitty.
Kitty.
Get the kitty. Get the kitty. Yeah.
Back to the box.
She's like, oh, I'll get some more.
It's good to see she's not claustrophobic.
Maybe she is. That's why she was tripping.
Like, no, you can't record that.
Is the light on? Oh, that's cool. It automatically kicked on.
Hey, Doxey.
Doxey, come here.
Doxey.
Come here. Look, who's that? Doxey, who's that? Who's that?
Here.
You ready? She does not care.
She is getting everyone but love. Hey, did you get it? Did you get it? Give me some knuckles. Give me knuckles. Oh. Give me some knuckles. Hey, Doxey, give me some knuckles. Give me knuckles. Where's the knuckles? Come on, give me a paw.
Hi.
Give me a shake.
Who's that over there?
Give me a shake. Give me a shake. Give me a shake. Oh, give me a shake. Oh.
Oh. Hey, Doxey, look. Who's it? Okay. You like the attention, don't you?
I know. Okay, we should come take these so they get.